Hello everyone. In this video manual, we will see how we can configure the transportation related information using OpenEducate. First of all, we will log in our system. As we have seen in our previous videos, that OpenEducate has a wonderful facility that enables a user to configure details like courses, standard, classroom, subjects, activity, hostel management, etc. Let's see how we can configure the transportation related information in OpenEducate. There are three things that you can configure over here. First is routes, the path that will be used by the vehicles in transportation, the transportation's records, and the vehicles. To create a route, you can simply go to the routes menu and click on create button. This is a route that we have already created. There are four information that you can provide over here: the name of a route, the code of a route, the cost, and the parent route. It may happen that a particular route is a subroute of another route, so that route can be specified over here as the parent route. The next is the vehicles. There can be many registered vehicles with the institute that can be used for transportation. So this is the record that we have created for vehicle. You can provide the name of a vehicle, then give the registration number of it. It's very important to know that how many students can be accommodated in one vehicle, so you can provide that capacity over here. Then who is the driver of that vehicle, and the last is the active. It may happen that out of so many vehicles, some are not working right now, so you won't be to see those vehicle records in your system. In that case, you can simply uncheck the active option, and automatically this record will be hidden from the system. It's not deleted, but it's just not visible in the system. In case they are active and you are using it, you can simply check the active. The next is the transportation. Transportation is the information of how many students will be using a particular vehicle, what will be the date and the time for this transportation, and how many stops will be there in particular one transportation. So let's see what are the detailed information over here. First is the name. You can provide the name of a transportation. From the vehicle, you can select the name of a vehicle. Remember, it is the list of vehicles that you have created in your system. You can provide the start date and time when this transportation will be initiated, and you can provide the end date and time when the transportation will be ended. You can provide the source location in from field and the destination location in to field. There can be multiple stops in one particular transportation. To provide that information, you can simply create the stop information over here, and you can set the sequence of the stops over here, because it may happen that in this particular transportation, the stop 1 will come first and stop 2 will come the second, but in another transportation, stop 2 may come first and stop 1 will come at the second. So you can set the sequence according to the stops. So you can set the sequence of the stops as and when they appear in particular transportation. Under the students, you can select who will be using this transportation. So this is how you can configure the transportation related information in OpenEducate. Thank you so much for watching.